Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. In the last class, we have discussed the causes of cable failure. Today we are interested for the identification of the fault for electric power cable, or you can say fault location strategies. Basically, we have discussed the failure modes are of four types. It can be manufacturing, it can be construction and installation, it can be the mechanical, and it can be the operational area. So, on these four areas, if we are going to focus, then we can minimize the failure of the electric power cable. Let's say there are methods for fault location. They are divided into two areas. The first is terminal methods and pre-locating. The second is tracer method and pinpointing. Now, what is the meaning of terminal methods? Usually associated with approximating the location, and in the tracer method we have to determine the specific section of a cable that has a problem. These fault location methods are used for locating the fault in electric power cable. Let's say there are types of fault location. So these types of fault location are again having the terminal methods. Now these terminal methods are again of four subtypes. First is time domain reflectometry, second is arc reflection, third is current impulse, and fourth is various electrical bridges. The second method is tracer or pinpointing methods. They are again subdivided into four types. So first is modulated AC or DC. It can be tone tracing, capacitor discharge, it is also called as thumping, and earth gradient. These are the types of fault location methods. We are interested for Murray loop test. Now, what is this Murray loop test? It is used for identification of the fault location for electrical power cable. Now, what it consists of? It consists of one bridge. You can see over here, there is a battery. We are using the resistances of R1 and R2. We are using one sound cable and we are using one faulty cable, and they are made connected with the help of jumper, and this is the galvanometer. You can consider this as a R1, R2, RG, RX and RY. Now these Murray loop test for earth fault. Now consider the Murray loop test for short circuit fault. This short circuit fault identification, you have to consider for Murray loop test. So this is a short circuit, you can see over here, and same way this is a sound cable, or this is a normal cable, and this is our faulty cable, and they are connected with the one jumper. Because of the Murray loop test, we can understood that the fault location can be identified. I hope you understood the concept of fault location identification for electric power cable. Thank you. God bless you all.